Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, this is our first video to do in our new studio that we're working on. And we have a lot of really cool things happening here, guys. We're doing a full lighting studio with several different brands of lights through DMF and some others that we're incorporating into this space. So it should be really, really cool. But today's video is about outdoor speakers. Now, you guys know that we're a James dealer and Sonance dealer, and depending on what type of environment or space that we're doing depends on obviously what speakers that we choose. Now, a lot of times just on a patio, we'll have what they call a box type speaker, which is where these come into play. These are the Sonance Mariners. Now, these are two of many that Sonance makes. These are the Mariner 56s and the Mariner 66. And I just kind of want to show you guys the differences between the two. And how awesome they are. You can get them in white, you can get them in black, the cool brackets that they come with. Now, these are very, very nice as far as being installer friendly because of the type of brackets that they have. Super, super nice. They're easily pivoting to lock exactly into place where you want them to be. So you got your screw holes in the back to screw it to whatever surface you're at, and then you have your speaker. Now what's really nice is that you can mount this, and then with one guy on a ladder, you notice on the speakers in the front, guys, here's the 56s, you have the terminals on the front. So on the back, the speaker wire comes through this nice little grommet. Let me see that. There's a little grommet right there, a grommet hole. So your speaker wire goes through there, through here, and then into the positive and negative. So it makes it super nice for one guy to be on top of a ladder to install these. So you got your bracket here, it's installed, and it literally goes through the holes, snaps in, that's it. I mean, we've had some in the past, you got these screw-on things, and all kinds of craziness. And of course, there's a grill in there that just snaps into place. But what a nice fit and finish. And super easy for one guy trying to hang these on a wall or whatever on the outside of a patio, what have you. So super, super nice, guys. And then of course they have the releases right here and here that releases the bracket out of the speaker enclosure. There we go. Got that one, and then got that one. There we go. So, a little bit about these two here. So, obviously these are the smaller of the two. These are the 56s with a 5 1/4 inch driver with Kevlar driver, 1 inch dome tweeter. It's an aluminum dome tweeter. Typically depending on how big the space is, may depend on, which speaker you go with. Being this has got the 5 1/4, it's got a little less power. Recommended, 5 watts to 70 watts. As far as sensitivity goes, it's 88, so not quite as sensitive as the bigger ones here with a 6 1/2 inch driver, same 1 inch dome tweeter, but you can do recommended up to 100 watts on these, and they're 90 dB on sensitivity. So a little bit of differences. These are going to play down to 50 hertz, and these are going to play down to 60. And as you go up in the Mariners to even a bigger size, they play down even lower. So depending on how much bass you want, mid-range and performance depends typically on what size that we go with. So a lot of times these two are probably the most common as far as size go and performance. So they look really nice, they sound really nice, they're waterproof, the installation is super clean and easy because of the way they've done their brackets when they redesigned those. Super, super nice, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's very short and sweet. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about some options from Sonance as far as your outdoor speakers go that may go on the patio for some better sound. So hope you guys stay cool out there. It's super hot here in Oklahoma. Can't wait to show you more on this whole display that we got going here in the studio, and a lot more coming at you. So any questions, comments, leave them down below. Till next time, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.